Okay, so it now begins.
Yeah.
Our video vlog of Iceland. We're gonna go get it done.
Oh, 2 4. Credit. Yep. Good. Okay. Good.
I will follow you. She's doing it in French, I'm doing it in English. It's going to be fine. Okay, so number 1. Do you see a wall? It extends many miles, many kilometers. So great wall. You're actually standing on this wall, and it's also behind you. This wall, which we are now standing on, is the North American tectonic plate. We're in America, you can just feel the freedom. America, yeah. Right here. Okay, now on the other side of the lake is the Eurasian plate. Everything in between is the Rift Valley. There are cracks and fissures all over the place. They're snorkeling in the rifts, and the lake is getting bigger and bigger. You know, girls, if you've ever been pregnant, it's like stretch marks. It's being torn apart, bigger and bigger. Okay, number 2. Down there is a flagpole. There's a walking path and a flagpole with the Icelandic flag. That pole represents where the law speaker stood and gave his speeches. So the Vikings didn't build any grand building. They basically met there in the summertime for like 2 weeks or so and settled their disputes. And according to the sagas, the ancient stories, that is where they met. So there you go. Number 3. Do you see the house down there? It is owned by the government and is used for formal occasions. When kings, queens and politicians come to the country, that is where they have champagne and hors d'oeuvres and fancy stuff. Very fancy. We're not invited, we're not fancy enough. Okay.